Baby Day is a time for our physical therapy students to get real life experience with kids so that they understand what working with kids can be like for a career.
Today we had Baby Day, so that was a lot of hands-on learning, and I think that really helps to integrate like the memory, the classroom work versus the actual knowing what normal feels like and getting to manipulate a baby and knowing what, a little writhing, moving baby feels like versus we practice on baby dolls, so that's a little bit different.
So we got to work with a bunch of different kiddos, all different age ranges. They went from literally infants, basically just born, up to about 8 years old or so. We got to do a bunch of different activities. We would take them out on the balcony and we set up an obstacle course for some of them. And then for the other kiddos, we took them into the classroom and we had a bunch of blocks and different activities for them to do as well. So primary things that we are working on is just figuring out, do they still have reflexes? Are they integrated? And basically what that means is, are they retained or are they able to do functional activities for their daily life, like walking, running, jogging, crawling, skipping, hopping, just because those are a lot of things that you see kids do, and we got to see it in a new light and be able to evaluate and see, is that carrying over as they progress and as they age.
And I really enjoyed today. I just love kids and I love hanging out with them, and it was so funny to see the little babies and their budding personality, and then knowing and seeing them in the toddler stage, seeing how they act, and even in the runners group with all the 5-year-olds and the 4-year-olds, and to see their actual personalities and how they navigate the world, and knowing the differences between each developmental level was so cool.